everyone, welcome back. Is the Lyft app stuck on a pink loading screen or a spinning circle that never stops right when you need to go somewhere? Here's how to break out of it in under 30 seconds. First, swipe up and completely close Lyft from your recent apps. Then go to your settings app. Then go to Wi-Fi and toggle it off. Then switch to your mobile data and then reopen your Lyft app. Apps like Lyft get trapped in a broken Wi-Fi session, and switching to mobile data forces a completely fresh connection. If Lyft loads on mobile data, your Wi-Fi was the problem. Fix it by going to the settings, Wi-Fi, and then click on the letter I next to your Wi-Fi and then tap Forget this network and reconnect with your password. If Lyft is still stuck on mobile data too, open your browser and then search for Downdetector. There, search for the Lyft app and see if there's a reported outage. If there is, it's Lyft side and you just need to wait 20 to 30 minutes before trying again. So all you gotta do is close Lyft, switch to mobile data and forget and reconnect Wi-Fi or check Downdetector. Loading screen gone.